Dear students, in this lecture we are going to see summary and multiple choice questions on discrete probability distributions, particularly 1-point distribution, 2-point distribution, Bernoulli distribution, binomial distribution, discrete uniform distribution, and hypergeometric distribution. This is summary of 1-point distribution. 1-point distribution is the simplest discrete distribution, which is also called as degenerate distribution. Which PMF is given by probability that x is equal to x equal to 1 if x is equal to k equal to 0 otherwise. In simple words, probability that x is equal to k equal to 1 and probability that x not equal to k is 0. Here mean is equal to the constant k and variance is equal to 0. So variance is equal to 0. This property characterizes a degenerate random variable. The probability generating function Pxs is given by expectation of s raised to x equal to s raised to k. The examples of 1-point distribution: tossing a biased coin, for example Cholet coin, first and only one prize of a lottery, award like Bharat Ratna, fall of a cat on ground, drawing a white ball from a box containing only white balls. The graph of probability distribution of 1-point distribution is as, so at the point x is equal to k, the total probability 1 is attributed here. Okay, so this is the graph of probability distribution of 1-point distribution. These are multiple choice questions on 1-point distribution. So here the correct alternatives along with correct answers are given in red color. Students are advised to go through these questions. So this is the summary of 2-point distribution. The probability mass function of 2-point distribution is given by probability that x is equal to x1 equal to p, probability that x is equal to x2 is equal to q, where this p plus q is equal to 1. So mean here is mean of 2-point distribution on x1 x2 is p into x1 plus q into x2, and variance is mu2 is equal to p into q into x1 minus x2 bracket square, and the probability generating function Pxs is p into s raised to x1 plus q into s raised to x2. Examples of 2-point distribution are tossing a coin. Here we may have head or tail. Result of an examination, pass or fail. Result of an election, elected or not elected. Result of an inspection, accepted or rejected. And this is the graph of 2-point distribution. At the point x1 the probability is p, at the point x2 the probability is q, such that this p plus q is 1 here. So these are multiple choice questions on 2-point distribution. So here also the correct alternatives as well as correct answers are given in red color. So question number 5, if x follows 2-point distribution with probability that x is equal to 0 is 0.6 and probability that x is equal to 5 is 0.4, then mean and variance of x are dash dash respectively. So here value of x1 is 0, p1 is 0.6, value of x2 is 5, p2 is q is 0.4, and therefore the correct answer is D. The mean is 2 and variance is 6. Similarly, the other questions. This is the summary of Bernoulli distribution. Bernoulli distribution is a two-point distribution with x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 0. So that means Bernoulli distribution is a particular case of two-point distribution. Here the notation is x follows Bernoulli, that is binomial 1 comma p. Here p is parameter. Here support is x takes two values 0 and 1. The probability mass function is probability that x is equal to 1 equal to p, and probability that x is equal to 0 is q, such that p plus q is equal to 1. So here mean is equal to the parameter p, variance is equal to the product of p and q. So here p is greater than p and q because q is between 0 and 1, that is fraction. So therefore mean is greater than variance. The PGF is given by Pxs is equal to expectation of s raised to x, that is p into s plus q, or you may read this as q plus ps. Additive property: the sum of n independent Bernoulli random variables with parameter p each is a binomial variable with parameters n and p. And this is the graph of Bernoulli distribution. At the point x is equal to 1, the probability is p. At the point x is equal to 0, the probability is q, such that p plus this q is equal to 1 here. These are the multiple choice questions on Bernoulli distribution. So here the correct alternatives along with correct answers are given in red colors, and the students are advised to go through these questions for your examination. So this is the summary of binomial distribution. Binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli in 1700. It gives probabilities of events which results in only two ways, success or failure, under the following assumptions. So these are the assumptions. A trial is repeated n times and n is finite. If trial results in only two ways, success or failure, if probability of success is p and probability of failure is q, such that p plus q equal to 1 and remains constant for all trials, then probability of x successes in n trials is given by binomial distribution. So this is the notation for binomial distribution. X follows binomial distribution with parameters n and p. So here n and p are parameters of the distribution. The support means the range of binomial distribution is x is equal to 0, 1 to up to n. So it takes n plus 1 points. The probability mass function, probability that x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x for x is equal to 0, 1 to n. Mean of binomial distribution is mean equal to np. Variance of binomial distribution mu2 is equal to np cube. So mean is product of two parameters n and p, and variance is product of three quantities n, p and q. So here mean is greater than variance because q lies between 0 and 1. The recurrence relation for probabilities of binomial distribution is probability of x plus 1 is equal to n minus x divided by x plus 1 into p by q into px, where p0 is q raised to n. The PG of binomial distribution is given by pxs is equal to q plus ps raised to n, and the additive property here is the sum of k independent binomial random variables with parameters ni and p each is a binomial variable with parameters summation of ni and p. So these are the MCQs on binomial distribution. So here also the correct alternatives as well as correct answers are given in red colors. The students are advised to go through these questions for your examination. This is the summary of discrete uniform distribution defined on first n natural numbers. Here notation is x follows discrete uniform distribution over 1, 2, 3 up to n. Suppose here the range is x takes values 1 to up to n. The probability mass function is probability that x is equal to I equal to 1 divided by n for all I equal to 1 to n. So the probability is equal and is equal to 1 by n. So mean of this distribution here is n plus 1 divided by 2. Variance is n square minus 1 divided by 12. Probability generating function pxs is equal to s into 1 minus s raised to n divided by n into 1 minus s. Examples of discrete uniform distribution are result of tossing a pair coin. So here probability of getting head is equal to probability of getting tail equal to 1 by 2. The number obtained in throwing a pair die. So here the probability is 1 by 6 for each number 1 to 6. Distribution of sweet among children of a family. Distribution of property among brothers and sisters. And this is the graph of uniform distribution. Here probability for each point is equal. That's why it is called as uniform distribution. These are multiple choice questions on discrete uniform distribution. So here the correct alternatives along with correct answers are given in red color. So you go through these MCQs for your examination. So this is the summary of hypergeometric distribution. So you note here, when the population is finite and the sampling is without replacement, we use hypergeometric distribution. Here the word sampling is without replacement is important for hypergeometric distribution. So the notation is x follows hypergeometric distribution with parameters capital N, capital M and small n. So there are in all three parameters n, m and n. The support, that is the range of x, is generally it is taken as x is equal to 0, 1 to up to minimum of n and m, but actually the range of hypergeometric distribution is x takes values from maximum of 0 and m plus n minus n. So from this point to minimum of n and m. So here the probability mass function is probability that x is equal to x equal to mcx n minus mc n minus x divided by NCN for x is equal to 0, 1 to up to minimum of m and n. So here mean is equal to n into n by m by n. So this can be remembered as sample size into proportion of success size, n into m by n. And variance of hypergeometric distribution is given by n into m by n into n minus m by n into n minus n divided by n minus 1. So you may remember this in these words. Variance is equal to sample size into proportion of successes into proportion of failures into approximate proportion of non-sampling. The recurrence relation for probabilities of hypergeometric distribution is probability of x plus 1 is equal to m minus x divided by x plus 1 into n minus x divided by n minus m minus n plus x plus 1 into px. Property: hypergeometric distribution tends to binomial distribution when n tends to infinity, that means when n is large, and m by n is the probability of success p. So these are MCQs on hypergeometric distribution. So as usual, the correct alternatives and the correct answers are given in red colors. The students are advised to go through these questions for your examination. Dear students, this is my last lecture for you. So I wish you best luck for your coming examination as well as for your future. Thank you. Thank you very much.